Have you ever heard the tale of Darth Fungus the Kid? No? I thought not. It is not a tale that Games Workshop takes pleasure in telling. Many years ago, back before my dad left to buy cigarettes from the Dark Eldar, a unit of our Emperor's most expendable guardsmen captured a looted Lehman Russ that had been taken by the Orcs. And as these guardsmen began to examine the vehicle, they noticed something was wrong. Their eyes began to run, and their minds began to blur as they opened the hood into the engine compartment, and inside, where there should have been a fine piece of Imperial steel, sat a heretical sigil of Orc design. As they looked upon it in terror, they could only read and weep as it said, "The words that have kept me awake since then." There was a drawing of an engine, and upon it, the eye-watering text, "Vroom, vroom."